Let's take 40 shows on Netflix and translate them into Swedish.
Oi! My name is not Sven, it is Martin, ja.
Yes, so I've selected 40 shows from Netflix and we're gonna translate them straight across to Swedish and see what we come up with. And as we go along, you should comment which of these series you have seen and which ones are your favorite. And the first show is Line of Duty, and the Swedish translation of that would be Pliktens linje. Pliktens linje. Next we have Unbelievable, which in Swedish is otrolig or otroligt, depending on which word it describes. And then we have The Dark Crystal, Age of Resistance, which in Swedish would be Den mörka kristallen, motståndets tid. Den mörka kristallen, motståndets tid. The Spy, and that is Spionen in Swedish. Spionen. And then we have Mindhunter, which in Swedish is Sinnesjägare. Sinnesjägare. And the next one is short, Dark, which means mörk. Mörk. Orange is the new black, which would have its weird translation to Swedish meaning Orange är det nya svarta. Orange är det nya svarta. When they see us. När de ser oss. När de ser oss. Then we have Dead to Me, which is Död för mig. Död för mig. The Assassination of Gianni Versace. Lönnmordet på Gianni Versace. Lönnmordet på Gianni Versace. Next one is short, Dogs, which is hundar. Hundar. Russian Doll is rysk docka. Rysk docka. Conversations with a Killer, the Ted Bundy tapes. Konversationer med en mördare, Ted Bundy-banden. Konversationer med en mördare, Ted Bundy-banden. Ted Bundy-banden. Bundy-banden. Sex Education, which is sexutbildning. Sexutbildning. Tidying Up with Marie Kondo is städar med Marie Kondo. Städar med Marie Kondo. The Last Kingdom. Det sista kungariket. Det sista kungariket. Chilling Adventures of Sabrina. Sabrinas kusliga äventyr. Sabrinas kusliga äventyr. Notice how the words differ in order there. Orphan Black, which directly translated means föräldralös svart. Föräldralös svart. Mad Men. Galna män. Galna män. The Good Place. Den goda platsen. Den goda platsen. Arrested Development, which is arresterad utveckling. Arresterad utveckling. Happy. Glad. Glad. The same word as glad. Happy. Better Call Saul literally translates to bättre att ringa Saul. Bättre att ringa Saul. But the way that we would say it would be bäst att ringa Saul. It is best att ringa Saul. The End of the Fucking World. And obviously that F word means something that you do. In Swedish that would be slutet på den jävla världen. So we use a devil instead of, the procreation. The literal translation would be slutet på den knullande världen. Which wouldn't make sense. American Vandal. Amerikansk vandal. Amerikansk vandal. Glow. Sken. Sken. The Crown. Kronan. Kronan. Friends, which has the Swedish title Vänner. Vänner. Could it be any more translatable? How I Met Your Mother, which translates to Hur jag träffade din mamma. Hur jag träffade din mamma. The Politician. Politikern. Politikern. La casa de papel. Pappershuset. Pappershuset. 13 Reasons Why. 13 anledningar varför. 13 anledningar varför. Gilmore Girls. Gilmore-tjejerna. Gilmore-tjejerna. Modern Family. Modern familj. Modern familj. Gossip Girl. Skvallertjej. Skvallertjej. Brooklyn 99. Brooklyn 99. Brooklyn 99. Suits. Kostymer. Kostymer. Breaking Bad. Bryter dålig. Bryter dålig. That's a very literal translation. What the heart wants. Vad hjärtat vill. Vad hjärtat vill. And the last of these 40 Netflix shows is Stranger Things. Konstigare saker. Konstigare saker. So let me know in the comments which of these series have you seen, which ones were your favorite, and which ones are you kind of like, I'm going to see it, but I haven't gotten around to it yet because I'm still rewatching How I Met Your Mother for the 4th time. Let me know in the comments, and I will see you the next time you click on one of my videos.